when I do my event in Singapore, Malaysia, America, everywhere, a man from Sri Lanka, one man only show up. And that's our Dr. Kuma, asking me, Veronica, come to Sri Lanka with your program. So I still remember that. And Robert was on the way to Singapore next week, says, I visit Sri Lanka. It's 1 month's time. And Kuma, being a man who's never say no and believes the impossible, say yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Robert Kiyosaki. Let's hear you give him a huge round of applause.
But we need to teach entrepreneurship, and we must teach money. Why our schools don't teach money is because most school teachers are Marxists. My poor dad was a Marxist, and he believed in giving people money. I don't believe in that. I believe in teaching people about money. There's a very big difference.
How many of you want to be rich? Say aye. How to connect your body, mind and spirit. When you connect your body, mind and spirit, you start breaking your shell, cracking your personality. And when you crack your personality, you change the way you behave. Then when you change the way you behave, you change the way you get what? Results. MBY is money, business, and you. Pursue your passion. Don't do everything that others do. 2, talent. Don't do anything out of your passion and talent.
A world-renowned financial educator.
Poor people live here and here. This is my poor dad. They live here and here. They want to make money and they want to cut down expenses. Third part of financial literacy is called statements of cash flow.
Inflation keeps going up, going up, going up, going up. So at some point, the bubble bursts.
The more you work and save for this, whether it's this or the Sri Lankan money, you get poorer. The whole system of the central banks of the world, the Federal Reserve Bank, was to make you poorer.
Be crazy rich. Live a true and meaningful life and leave a legacy. Live with Jiva Shakti.
I am really thrilled to be here. Remember this, the US government prints this. It's fake. To steal you, your wealth. Don't work for this. Work for your wealth. It's a very rich country.
Let's put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for this very special gift from Sri Lanka to Robert Kiyosaki.
Wow, thank you, thank you, thank you.
One more time, let's hear you say cash flow revolution!